Hey, my name's Scott Pendergraft, and I've been here at Solesbee for 4 years. I'm a utility man. I kind of float around. Right now they got me painting, but I'm not be doing welding or anything else tomorrow. I like to get people to work here. It's a good work atmosphere. The administration up front, they're pretty good. So Connor's all right. Yeah, he's all right hanging around with us. I worked on saw a while back and have worked with the print over there. And I've been over west too at the warehouse, worked with them dummies over there too, but it's all cool. You might not want to put that on camera. I guess my favorite hobby would be, I like to fish. I can't do much in the wintertime. As soon as it starts warming, bass on the bed, that's what I'm after. That's that big hog, even out of the lake. Of course, I like to hang with my family too, but as long as they like to go fishing, everything's okay. 8-pound bass. Little lake up in Bowden, Georgia called Ty Singer. We fish there fish all the time until off the boat. But yeah, it's a good fish. I like credfish too overnight. Flavor suckers, man, you can get good fry going in. I like doing it. And I also like baking too sometimes. I make some cakes. Sometimes cinnamon rolls, that's about it. All the buckets are my favorite attachment. Not the sketchy buckets, but the regular excavator buckets. They're easy to paint. Buckets are a little easier because you ain't got to get all the corners like the stone. And they're easy to weld too. And I started out building them, so I guess that'd be my favorite attachment. So they're coming off shapes and sizes. Like my windows. I guess one of the hardest things about this job is tacking these thumbs up. So the metal comes in different. It's not always milled right. I mean, there's always this part of human error. If everything's done on a computer, perfect world, then we great. They work perfectly. It all comes in milled a little bit different, and it's a little bit different. It makes it hard to tack. Makes them especially hard to square, especially when the metal comes in. It's all wavy. Not that much out. You can't see the eye, but the time you start putting instruments on the square, you can tell the difference. I guess tacking will become one of the hardest challenging jobs I've had here is doing tacking these things. Don't tack them right, they'll come out right. Okay, the advice I give a new person coming in here is take pride in your work. We want people to buy American, we want people to buy good product, and take pride in your work and listen to anybody that's going to be telling you what to do because trust me. When I come in here, it's a whole different world, man. I might think you know what you're doing, but don't. Listen to these boys, take good advice, and take pride in what you do, man. Thank you. Appreciate it. Boomhower. Man, edit that out, man. I'll put that in there.